another video. You are watching Phone Zone with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus out here. Talking about A6 Plus, we can say that this variant was a good release back then when it was released in 2000 out there, and we can say approximately good variant out in 2018. 2018 का अगर इस वेरिएंट की बात करें तो कह सकते हैं कि Samsung Galaxy ने काफी ज्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट की है अपनी सीरीज में. And talking about Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus out here, it is slightly heavy weighted phone. Yes, it's slightly heavy, not very heavy, but slightly heavy. Having a weight of 186 grams and not having a glass back gives really a heavy weighted phone. You can have a glass protection at the front, मतलब glass front है इसमें. साथ में आपको देखने को मिलेगा aluminum framework and aluminum back. You get to see aluminum framework, aluminum frame back out there. So this gives a good variant out there. It can be either single SIM phone or a dual SIM phone out there, as well as you get to have a dedicated slot for each and everything. Having a good display gives all the specifications, any disadvantage can be covered up. Display की बात करें, if we talk about the display, it is super almond capital touch screen out here. Yes, this is one of the variant which we have seen in early Samsung models. Also, super almond capital touch screen is really amazing. Having a screen size of 6 inches gives a wonderful aura to this because it gives a very great compatibility and a usage capacity too. वहीं पर अगर रेजोल्यूशन की बात करें तो स्लाइटली लो एज कंपेयर टू इट्स 2017 वेरिएंट्स. 411 ppi density की resolution है, but it's slightly low as compared to 2017 variants, but it's still good. At least it's having in 400 yet. Having a good Android version gives it a plus point because upgradable Android 9 is a must out there in early 2000s and in late 2018 and 19. And plus इसका जो base है, the base Android is Android 8, which can be considered as a good variant. साथ ही साथ अगर बात करें, if we talk about the operating system and if we talk about the chip system, it has got Snapdragon 450 chip system. तो operating system Android के साथ Snapdragon बहुत अच्छे से work कर रहे थे. Go very good in collaborating together. If we talk about this variant, it has got different storage varieties. Storage की बात करें, variants can be seen out here, and when we talk about variants, it has got 32 GB storage capacity and 64 GB storage capacity. You get to see 32 and 64 GB storage variants. Along with that, you get to see 3 GB and 4 GB RAM variants. मतलब दो तरह के variants है, 3 GB भी है, 4 GB RAM भी है. If we talk about this variant, we can say it has got a dual camera with 16 megapixel main camera and 5 megapixel depth camera. So this can be considered as a okay and a good variant both, because offering these kind of resolution and this kind of a camera gives a very good advantage to this. वहीं पे सेल्फी कैमरा की बात करें तो 24 मेगापिक्सल सेल्फी कैमरा gives a wonderful advantage, or we can say a wonderful exposure quality out there. मतलब 24 megapixel का selfie camera has covered all the major points out there. Having all the connectivities, चाहे वो Wi-Fi की हो, चाहे वो Bluetooth की हो, चाहे इसके accelerometer हो, proximeter हो, इसका zero type speakers हो, 3.5 jack हो, या किसी भी टाइप की हम बात करें sensitivity या connectivity की, everything is possible out here. Whereas when we talk about this variant, it offers you a good battery life of 3500 mAh. That is another plus point to this. 3500 mAh की battery and providing you 21 hours talk time gives a wonderful, we can say, advantage. Because 21 hours talk time is really a must out there now and then. वहीं पर अगर बात करें इस वेरिएंट की, तो ये वेरिएंट बहुत सारी साइट्स पे अवेलेबल है. दिस वेरिएंट इज अवेलेबल ऑन n number of sites out here. Only few sites offer a great pricing, and one such site is available with us, and that is this site. The site name is PhoneZone.ae. Yes, this is the site I'm talking about, PhoneZone.ae, which offers you n number of gadgets under the category of all mobile phones. As well as the search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget out here. So Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. So these are the results. Results have been announced, and we can see It has got a description box which offers you n number of specifications. But all the specifications have been mentioned out here. All the features are there. As well as when we talk about this variant, there is a condition written refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition and check how is it and how is it good to invest in refurbished product or not. So let us talk about refurbished product. And when we talk about refurbished product, we can say that it's quite similar to brand new products. How we say so? मतलब क्यों हम ये कह रहे हैं? Because brand new मतलब is something absolutely new, which has been not used, which has been absolutely untouched. That is absolutely, we can say, new for us. But refurbished is something which is like creating something newly like. Yes, creating something newly like. Why we say so? Refurbished is creating something which was back then. Yes, मतलब जो पहले जैसा था उसे वैसा ही बना देना. It's called refurbished. Now, when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can say that they are very similar in the structurality, functionality, because they are absolutely same. क्योंकि इनकी टेस्टिंग के पैरामीटर्स सेम होते हैं, इनकी फंक्शनैलिटी सेम होती है, और बस एक ही डिफरेंस होता है. The major difference lies out is कि these refurbished products are pre-owned phones. Yes, these are pre-owned versions, whereas brand new are not pre-owned. Like जैसे कि ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें, उसमें 3 फेजेस होते हैं और सेम 3 फेजेस जो हैं हमारे होते हैं रिफर्बिश्ड में. ब्रांड न्यू इज फ्रॉम द कंपनी, मतलब बेस इज द कंपनी आउट देयर. उसके बाद वो मार्केट प्लेस में आता है, इट कम्स टू द मार्केट प्लेस, देन इट गोज टू द यूजर्स. यस, इट गोज टू द यूजर्स. तो ये हो जाता है हमारा ब्रांड न्यू का पैसेज. whereas this user becomes now the base. वो अब हमें बेस बन गया. Now it going back, now they don't want to use that variant out here, that gadget, तो marketplace में आता है. They resell it and then it is checked out, verified, everything is done and it is packed as a newly like one. और फिर ये एक नए यूजर को दिया जाता है. So this is called refurbished product. Now talking about this product, we can say refurbished products में भी पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, टेस्ट होते हैं जो कि ब्रांड न्यू में होते हैं. लाइक चेकिंग द कनेक्टिविटी आउट देयर आउटर स्ट्रक्चर, इंटरनल फंक्शनैलिटी, बैटरी लाइफ हो गई, उनके हैंडसेट्स में क्या क्या है, साथ में कौन कौन सी एक्सेसरीज है, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी चेक. लाइक अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो कनेक्टिविटी में चाहे वो ब्लूटूथ हो, इसकी वाईफाई हो, सिम कनेक्टिविटी हो, एक्सलोमीटर हो, सेंसिटिविटी हो, फिंगरप्रिंट हो, कोई भी कनेक्टिविटी हो, वो सभी चेक किए जाते हैं. Whereas when we talk about the outer structurality, it includes the display, buttons, camera, audio, video, normal calling process out there, everything out there. Whereas internal operating systems is checked out. Internal मतलब जो बारीक चीजें जो होती हैं जो हम चेक आउट करते हैं, like the operating system, CPU, GPU, GPS out there, SIM recognition, data connectivity, colorization, it's data wiping out there. Everything, look, all the parameters which we read about any variant has to be checked. There are approximately 29 major parameters which are checked out with sub parameters out there. इन सबके सब parameters बहुत सारे होते हैं, but 29 are the major parameters out there. Now these 29 parameters are checked out, and when they are checked out, they are given a category which is known as refurbished or certified refurbished. Now what happens, what are the things which are involved in refurbished benefits? Because this offers you good quality products, good service products out there. It offers you really original parts are there. Everything is 100% genuine. Now when we talk about this product, what are the benefits of having refurbished over brand new? Number one is the savings. Yes, you get to have a savings. How you saving great amount? Like brand new, we know they are expensive, whereas refurbished are quite pocketable. Yes, refurbished products are quite pocketable out here, so you can save up to a great amount. Now when we talk about savings and pocketable rates, we can say that brand new offers you 1 year warranty period. Yes, but when we pre-own any phone, when we own any phone which has been pre-owned, so उसकी warranty period usually it has reduced out. But when we check any product from the site and it has a condition return refurbished, it gets a warranty period of 6 months. मतलब 6 महीने की warranty period refurbished में आपको देखने को मिलती है. उसी के साथ आपको देखने को मिलता है you get to see 70 exchange policy. Yes, you also get to have 70 exchange policy. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product, because these are profitable, gives you savings, they have warranty period, and if you they are not approximately a good product for you or they have some disadvantage, then there is an exchange policy too. So you can definitely check that out. And let us go back to the site where we were talking about to check how the products are there and whether it offers the same things or not. This is the site out here we are talking about. This is phonezone.ae, and in this site you get to see n number of brands in these categories, in these gadgets, in these reputed brands out here. As well as when we talk about this website, you get to see 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy already there. As well as COD and free shipping is additional factor to this. Now you get to have a COD delivery out there, as well as free shipping out there. Then you get to have 48 hours timing. Yes, for most parts of UAE, the delivery timing is 48 hours, whereas in Saudi it might take up to a week. Whereas when we talk about pricing, this site offers you one of the best price, yes, best price for your favorite gadgets out there. As well as when we talk about order placement, you can place either online or on call. Any type of placement can be done. For best pricing, do check out the website. The search icon helps you to search a favorite gadget. As well as if you want like to search any other gadget, you can let us know and you can search on the website too. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.